आप सुन रहे हैं समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया की साई न्यूज में ऑडियो बुलेटिन।
You are listening the national level audio bulletin of the Samachar Agency of India from Preeti Bhosle on 30th September 2020. The headlines are Prime Minister Narendra Modi to dedicate to the national three key projects related to petroleum sector in Bihar today. Centre chairs high-level meeting to the comprehensively relieve the coronavirus and the preparedness for the end response. COVID-19 recovery rate stands at a 77.77% in the country. All arrangement in the place for the medical entrance exam need across the country amid strict the COVID-19 precautions. And the tennis Japan's nominee Asuka wins US Open's women's single titles. Alexander Zverev to face the Dominic Teams the summit the clash tonight in the men's single. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be dedicated to the national three key projects for related to the petroleum sector in Bihar through the video conferencing. These projects include the Durgapur Banka section of the Pradeep Haldia and Durgapur pipeline for the augmentation the project and the two LPG bottling for the plants in the East Charpar for the Banka. The Power Minister R.K. Singh said the government has invested 11,000 crore rupees worth the initiatives for the electrification in the Bihar in the last 4 years. These include the substation, transmission and the rural electricians project. Mr. Singh spoke yesterday while inaugurating the host committee focusing and the facility developed by the NTPC in Bihar. The ministry inaugurated the committee center Sairi for the Shahpura Bahar in the Patna. He also inaugurated the 3 km long Mehe Indrapuri Barga and road at Nabi Nagar for Aurangabad and main gate complex in the Katni BG. Prime Minister Narendra Modi for the virtually inaugurated 1.75 lakh house building built under the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin in the 12,000 villages in the Madhya Pradesh yesterday. Prime Minister released the Graha Pariveshan, the plaque and inaugurated all the house simultaneously. They speak for the occasion. The Mr. Modi and the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana is not only the bill producing for the houses but also about the instilling the confidence in a poor so they can free for the daily struggles and they can focus toward the building a better future and can be sleep peacefully. In an arrangement or the place for the national eligibility come entrance tests to the held all over the country today for the administration of the undergraduate medical course. Over the 15 lakh candidates expected to appear in medical entrance exam, which will be the conduct amid strict precaution in a view of the COVID-19 pandemic. In under the maintain for that social distancing and national testing agency NTA as increasing the number of exam centers from the 2,546 to 3,843 while the number of candidates per room has reduced from the earlier the 24 to 12. The crucial exam for the differ twice in a view for the pandemic. The candidate have also be issued the advisory guideline them about for the does not for this the proper social distancing. In the Gujarat, nearly 80,290 candidates are the likely appear for the national eligibility come entrance needs exam today, and the medical entrance exam will be conducted in the offline promote. The examination will be conducted 214 in center in 10 cities of the Gujarat, and this including the Ahmedabad, Surat, Rajkot, Gandhinagar, Bhavnagar, Valsad, and Vadodara, Patna, Anand, Anand. And in Madhya Pradesh, more than 58,000 candidates in the state for the expected for the appear in medical entrance exam. Free vehicles will be provided by the administration to the student to reach the examination center. The Andhra Pradesh government has accrued for the administrative sanction for 2,050 crore rupees for the establishment of 4 few medical college in 4 parliament constituencies in the state. The order of this effective were issued yesterday by Special Chief Secretary Health, Medical and the Family Welfare Dr. K.S. Jawar Reddy for in the Vijayawada. The union government is remarkable upon the transformation program on the implementing international strength of the emission and the safety measure in the transport vehicle. The government is moving on the path and long term the regulatory roadmap for the automobile industry to the grow and increase the contribution to the gross domestic product. The Ministry of the Road and Transport Highway in the statement said that there is a plan to bring the Indian automotive industry at par with the development national and such regulation. Indian first coronavirus airport testing facility was launched yesterday in the Delhi Indira Gandhi International Airport, and the facility for the Terminal 3 for the airport officer a walk-in the option and ensure the safety journey to all the passengers entering in the city and the schedule for the domestic connecting the flights. International passenger traveling without the valid COVID negative certificate can be also booked the slot the advance for the testing at the airport, and the testing result for the available within 4 to 6 hours. The Delhi airport officials confirm to over the correspondent that the test is not the mandatory for the international passenger, but they can also opt for the exceptions can be option for the get the exception from the mandatory 7 days institution quarantine in the case of tested negative. Principal Secretary of the Prime Minister Dr. P.K. Mishra chair in a high-level meeting yesterday in comprehensively review for the COVID-19 preparedness and the response. For the meeting, the focus for the evidence-based learning and management of the cases across the district and state. The meeting also discussed the stage for the vaccine development, vaccine distribution plan, as well as the need for the district health action plan for the long-term management of the various aspects of the COVID. During the meeting, it was also noted that the satisfaction that the empowerment group of the works very hard and achieved the benchmark in the COVID management. The principal secretary for this, the Prime Minister also directed all the concern for the evidence-based AIDS preparedness and the aspects for COVID-19. The Health Ministry has organized the virtual conclave for the private hospital providing COVID-19 treatment in the country. It provides the platform for the discuss in the clinical protocol and the best practice for the COVID-19 management towards the reducing avoidable death. And while the COVID-19 has posed an unprecedented challenges to the country's healthcare system, there have been the proactive response from the government as well as the private industry, and the ministry also encouraged for the hospital representative to share and fees while the managing the COVID-19 in the facilities. The country registered the highest single day the COVID recovery with the over 81,500 people returning home after the successful treatment in the last 24 hours. So far, over 63,24,000 people in a country have recovered from the viral pandemic. The overall the recovery rate is 77.77%. The Health Ministry said the gap between the recovery and the active cases is progressively growth wildly. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath emphasized on the door-to-door survey and for containing the COVID-19 vaccine in the state. Our correspondent reports that the state witnessed the surge for the COVID-19 cases. Gujarat registered the record 1,365 fresh cases for the COVID-19 in the past 24 hours. In Maharashtra, government focusing the availability of the oxygen in the COVID hospital in a view of the increasing demand of the oxygen while the rising the number of COVID patients in the state. The state government has come out the various measures and handled to the critical issues. Tamil Nadu, the COVID-19 tally inches for the closer the 5 lakh with the over the 4 lakhs 97,000 positive cases reported so far. Meanwhile, the state government is taking steps increasing the intake of the student in a higher education. Clinical trial the COVID-19 vaccine being for the development by the AstraZeneca and Oxford University had the resume in the United Kingdom after the brief of the safety pause. And the trial the resume after the medicines held the regulatory authorities confirmed that the trial was safe. The human trial resumed the day after the pause and has been announced by the trial after the adverse reaction for on of the practitioners. AstraZeneca and Oxford University confirmed that the independent investigation concluded that the trial will be safe and restart. AstraZeneca said that the trial investigator and the participants will be the reveal the information and this will be the disclosed on the global trial registry according to clinical trial and regulatory strength. You were listening the national level audio bulletin of the Samachar Agency of India from Preeti Bhosle on 12 September 2020. We can see telecast on 13 September 2020. If you like this bulletin, then you must be like it, subscribe and share it.
आइए हम आपको आज बताते हैं कि किस तरह से आपको लिमटी की लालटेन समाचार एजेंसी इंडिया या साई न्यूज़ को सब्सक्राइब करना है। आपके पास यूट्यूब होगा, आप यूट्यूब खोलिए। यूट्यूब में आप सर्च बटन पर ऊपर जाइए, ऊपर सर्च बटन पर आप टाइप करिए LIMTY स्पेस दीजिए KHARE। इसके बाद आप एंटर दबाइए। जैसे ही आप एंटर दबाते हैं तो ये पेज खुल जाएगा। यहाँ पेज में आप देखिएगा ये इस तरीके का नज़ारा आपको दिखेगा। इसके साथ ही आप यहाँ देखिए LIMTY KHARE आपको लिखा दिख रहा है। इसके बाजू में आप राइट साइड में देखिएगा यहाँ सब्सक्राइब बटन दिख रहा है। ये सब्सक्राइब बटन अभी लाल रंग का दिख रहा है। सब्सक्राइब बटन को आपको क्लिक करना है। जैसे ही आप ये सब्सक्राइब बटन को क्लिक करेंगे आप देखिए इसका रंग लाल नहीं रह जाएगा। ये आपने सब्सक्राइब की जगह सब्सक्राइब्ड लिखा आ गया, आपने इसको सब्सक्राइब कर लिया है, पर अभी आपका काम पूरा नहीं हुआ है। अभी आपको इसके बाजू में आप देखिए एक घंटी का बटन आपको दिख रहा है। ये घंटी का बटन आपको दिख रहा है। ये घंटी का बटन आप इसको अगर घंटी के बटन को प्रेस करेंगे तो 3 ऑप्शन आते हैं, ऑल, पर्सनलाइज्ड और नन। तो इसमें आपको ऑल बटन को पुश करना है। आप जैसे ही आप देखिएगा ये ऑल बटन पुश करते हैं, ये हाईलाइटेड हो जाती है घंटी। इसके बाद जितने भी समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया पर वीडियोस डलेंगे सारे के सारे वीडियोस आपको तुरंत दिख जाएंगे, देखने को मिल जाएंगे। ये हम आपको जो दिखा रहे हैं किस तरीके से आपको समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया को की चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना है, ये पर्सनलाइज्ड और उसके बाद सब्सक्राइब बटन दबाइए। लाल के बाद वो लाल रंग नहीं